Well, hello and welcome. And if you are new, extra welcome, because for those of you that have been studying with me, you know that today we are going to find out what our new piece is going to be. So for the month of December, we are learning a new piece for the first 25 days. That's 25 pieces in 25 days. So let's find out what the piece of the day is. Oh, now this is interesting. We're going to be learning an old German carol. Now, I have to confess, I have taught this piece with many different variations, different versions, different arrangements, but it always has that wonderful melody. So the song we're learning is O Christmas Tree, also known as O Tannenbaum. So before we go any further, I would like to introduce myself. I am Montemoni, founder and creator of MoveOverMozart, the only place where you can learn music how you want, where you want, and when you want. Now, this is my little way of saying happy holidays from my family at MoveOverMozart to your family. Now, this is a little bit of a challenge, but I want you to be confident in knowing that the pieces that I've arranged and created for you are for beginners and new beginners with a little bit of experience. Now, there is a free download, so you can download your music right now and play along with me. Some of the pieces we are learning together might be familiar to you, and some of them may be not so familiar. So if there is a piece that you really want to learn, there are lessons where you can follow along with me, and I want to share with you briefly how we learn each piece. So we start by learning our right hand, and then we learn our left hand, and then we put our hands together. Now, at any point in the lesson, if you have a comment or question, you can always DM me or leave a comment down in the comment section below, and I will get back to you. Now, I strongly suggest, because we are learning 25 pieces in 25 days, to click that notification bell, because you won't want to miss a single lesson. And also subscribe, because there are wonderful music tips and tricks just for you. You can also find me over at Instagram at #MoveOverMozart. So, are you ready to start making some beautiful holiday music? Well, then let's begin. Now, I have to say that over the years, I've seen many variations and many verses of this wonderful old German carol, O Christmas Tree, also known as O Tannenbaum.